Hello guys, we have started. You are watching Guide to English. We have started our series of learning English and we have several videos related to English conversation, speaking, grammar, and then we have some lesson related to English reading as well. So in today's lesson we will cover the present perfect continuous tense. We are using the book English Grammar in use by Raymond Murphy. So in today's lecture, we will see how we can learn this present perfect continuous and how can we use this with some example exercises as well. So let me just go through it briefly. It's been raining. Study this example situation. It is it raining? No, but the ground is wet. It has been raining. In perfect continuous, we use have, has been plus ing. I have been doing, they have been doing, you have been doing, she, it has been doing, working or learning. We use the present perfect continuous for an activity that has recently stopped or just stopped. Why are you out of breath? Have you been running? Paul is very tired. He has been working hard. Why are you so tired? What have you been doing? I have been talking to Amanda and she agrees with me. Where have you been? I have been looking for you. It's been raining. It has been raining for 2 hours. Study this example situation. It began it began raining 2 hours ago and it's still raining. How long has it been raining? It has been raining for 2 hours. We use the present perfect continuous in this way, especially with how long, for, or, and since. The activity is still happening as in the example or has just stopped. How long have you been learning English? You are still learning English. Ben is watching TV. He has been watching TV last all day. Where have you been? I have been looking for you for the last 4 hours. Chris hasn't been feeling well recently. You can use the present perfect continuous for repeated action. Sliva is a very good tennis player. She has been playing since she was 8. Every morning they met in the same cafe. They have been going there for years. Compare I am doing, I have been doing. I am doing is present continuous. I have been doing is perfect continuous. Don't disturb me, I am working. We need an umbrella, it's raining. Hurry up, we are waiting. I have been working hard. Now I am going to have a break. The ground is wet, it has been raining. We have been waiting for an hour. Now we have some sample exercises. We will just cover some of the exercises. We have this picture situation in front of us. So in the first one, we can see that it's raining. We can say it has been raining. In the second, we can say she has been watching TV. The third one, we can say earlier she was playing. They have been playing. He in the fourth one, he was running earlier, so we can say now he's sitting. He has been running. Okay, now we will move to 9.2. Write a question for each situation. We have to write a question for each situation. You met Kate and she is leaving the swimming pool. You say, "Hi Kate, where have you been swimming?" You have arrived a little late to meet Ben who is waiting for us. You say, "I'm sorry I am late, Ben." Have you, you can say, have you waited long? Jane, little boy, comes to the house with a very dirty face and dirty hands. His mother says, "Why are you so dirty? What you have been doing?" You are in a shop and see Anna. She did not know she worked there. You say, "Hi Anna, how long have you how long have how long have you been working here?" A friend tells you about his job. He sells phone. You say, "You sales phone? How long how long how long have you doing that?" So this is the situation. Content says it's raining. The rain started 2 hours ago. It has been raining for 2 hours. We waited for the bus. We started waiting 20 minutes ago. We have been waiting for 20 minutes. I am learning Japanese. I started classes in December. I have been learning Japanese since December. Jessica is working in a hotel. She started working there on 12th of January. She has been working since she has been working in hotel since 12th January. Our friends always go to Italy for their holidays. The first time was years ago. Our friends have been our friends have been going to Italy for years. Okay, I guess that's it for this tense. Present perfect continuous. We have a similar present perfect continuous and a simple one. So we can cover this one tomorrow. I guess that's it for today. If you enjoyed the lesson, please subscribe our channel Guide to English. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you need that book, I can also provide that in the link. That's it for today's lecture. Hope to see you guys again in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.